This is Vincent Bajinya, one of the 4 men the Rwandan government accuses of a leading role in the genocide. The BBC found him in London 3 years ago, and he strenuously denied any involvement. Rwanda accuses the men of inciting killing in the genocide of 1994, when an estimated 800,000 Tutsis and moderate Hutus were systematically murdered. The Rwandan government urged Britain to hand them over for trial. But the High Court threw out the case for extradition. The judges ruled there was real evidence the men might suffer a flagrant denial of justice in Rwanda. The judges said there was evidence that defence witnesses were too afraid to testify, and evidence that the government might interfere in the case.
We, in fact, are in agreement with what the judges have said. The question now is, how will individuals such as this, who may have committed genocide, be held to account? And for that, we need a change in the UK law to ensure that individuals like this are able to face justice no matter where they are in the world.
This case coincides with emotional commemorations this week in Rwanda itself of the 15th anniversary of the slaughter. The Rwandan government believes it can ask bereaved and traumatised people to accept the past, but only if those accused of leading the genocide face trial. Now, with the International Tribunal in Tanzania being wound up and taking on no new cases, critics argue the world is not living up to the declaration Never Again. James Robbins, BBC News.